Hello everyone and welcome to our final part of this tutorial series on how to make a basket. And in this video we're gonna be closing the top. It's really easy. So as you can see, I opened one lock and then the strip that is going to the right will be folded to the right just as such, going down, and then the strip that is looking at the left side will be folded down, going to the left. Just as such, it's nice and easy. Please try to keep it tight. You kind of have to press it with your fingers, and as you can see, it does look complete. We'll go ahead and open another lock and repeat the sequence. So the strip that are going to the right, we'll fold it to the right hand side, going down just like that. We'll bring it down and press it with our fingers gently after we fold it, or press it all together when everything is in place, just like that. And we continue. It's a very easy, very fun, repetitive action. As we go all the way around, it will clean and clear out all of our corners, which feels really good to do, because we're moving towards completion of our basket. Yes, definitely check on everything. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then after I went all the way around, now I'm at our final point, our final lock, which will work exactly the same as all the previous locks. In exactly the same manner, we're gonna fold it as it is. Right side first, then moving to the left side, that will go over our right fold. And then now that we've completed our sequence all over the place, we have an option. Either we will just push it one slide more through and we can cut it there, or we can choose to go ahead and continue. If we do continue, it's called doubling, and what that means is that we're gonna make our basket more thicker, more sturdier, and it will keep a better shape. I do recommend to double all of your baskets because it does make a difference. And then we can cut it anywhere we feel comfortable. Just cut it at the base though. And the same way we will do the opposite side, or you can do any other side, any other strip. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't make any difference. You can start anywhere you want. You can finish anywhere you want. It's all good. It's all fun. So just like that, we keep going forward, doubling our basket to make it nicer, sturdier, thicker, more resilient. It will keep a better shape. And then when we feel like it's time, we go ahead and cut the strip. You don't need to worry about locking the strip in any way, because Buli is such a wonderful material that it won't really go out of the place. And now, as you can see, I doubled nearly the whole thing, and I have this last strip left. This strip is pretty long, but we're nearly over with it. And when I feel it's comfortable, I cut it. After you cut all of your strips, go ahead and clean up your basket from extra fibers sticking out. And just like that, our basket is all ready to use. Look at this beautiful thing we've created. Congratulations for making it till the end of this video. And now you can make a basket of any size.